feeling unsafe for walking. Please forgive the times I lost my peace. Thank you for holding me in your grace.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.
I'm sorry so for hiding my light, for shaming my joy and sensuality. Please forgive the tears unspoken. Thank you for the parts now open. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, sir, for playing small, for doubting my strength, ignoring the call. Please forgive my need to hide. Thank you, now I rise with pride. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I